multilingual, explorer, adventurer, and a guy who ends up in some interesting places. With a degree in journalism and filmmaking, I traveled to the ends of the earth investigating the greatest places in the world. This is Igor Travels the World. In the year 1162, arguably the most famous person in history was born. His name, Temujin, but you might know him as Chinggis Khan. Chinggis Khan had one of the largest empires ever in recorded history, conquering China, Russia, parts of Europe, and even the Middle East. According to National Geographic, after having studied the Y chromosome data of men living in the former Mongolian Empire, it was found that nearly 16 million descendants of Chinggis Khan are alive today.